things that happened in your relationship and you can finally move on. Now see, if there is a chance that you can get back together, like I mean little bit chance if possible. Be ruthless about it. If they were or anyone were enough to think that they can do without you, show them that you can do. Hi, hello, how are you? How are you people doing? I hope you are doing well. This is my new studio. Welcome, and everything is revolving. My sound is reverbing. I don't know how to set lights, and I have a fan that has horrible sound, but still, welcome. This is my studio. I'm happy. I hope I will know how to manage this studio after a while, I guess. So, till then, please be with me. Okay, how are you doing? It's been a while since we gossiped about juicy topics. Let's gossip and do our makeup together. I'm not going anywhere, but I have come here to gossip. That means I'm not doing well mentally. So you guys are my closest people. Helps me. Helps. So I thought let's do makeup therapy. Plus, I'm going to talk to you gossips. Before we start, please like this video because your one like is going to tell the algorithm that okay, Banhi is also worthy of watching. So please go ahead and like. Every like counts. Please. Also, don't you forget to subscribe to my channel. Oh, subscribe. What are you doing, man? You wanna miss out on fun gossips? No, right? Also, honest reviews and many more fun makeup videos. I hope you don't want to miss any of this. Subscribe. Oh my god. Okay, don't mind if my bra is showing. I wear bras, okay? Every woman, girl wears bras, so don't be weird about that. We have all been through breakups, mostly bad ones, and there are things that you should not text to your ex. I mean, we have all drunk texted our ex. Please don't lie. Okay, don't ride on a high horse. We have all done this shit. Maybe drunk or not drunk or pretended to be drunk after we got caught. Yeah, okay. So we have done that. So please do not text your ex. I miss you. Especially if your ex cheated on you or your ex was the one who kicked you out of their lives. Especially, I mean, if this is a scenario that they cheated on you, you kick them out of your life, which you should, and now you are lonely and now you want them back and you are texting, miss you. Girl, boy, or whoever is watching, don't. Okay? Let's face it, your ex doesn't miss you. They're happy that you two have moved on. Especially he or she has moved on. They're absolutely happy with the fact. So when you were texting shit like, I miss you, you were just letting them know that you want to get back together. Especially if that person have wronged you and that person cheated on you, it's a huge ego boost for them. You were just saying, ah well, mujhe maar. They really don't want to get back together. Girlie, bestie, if you have a friend who is currently going through a breakup, please share this video with them. You may think your ex will be happy when you say, oh, I miss you. They won't. You may think your ex will be happy hearing you miss them, you want them back, and blah blah blah. It is psychologically proved, okay? Not me, but you can see on online or their dating coaches or dating gurus or whoever gives yarn about dating, they will say this to you that when you are saying I miss you, you are just simply pushing people away. You are just simply pushing them farther away from. Okay? And another mistake that we make that we shouldn't, but I think all of us have texted this, which is I still love you or anything along the line. I still love you. No, thappar marungi. No, do not text. I still love you. Stop. See, you are showing too much attention right now. What you need to be doing is pushing your ex farther away. Yes, pushing your ex farther away. That's what you should be doing, man. That's what you should be doing. Do not text shit like I still love you or do you still love me. Don't be a cringe potato, okay? Sometimes showing lack of importance is important, okay? Showing lack of importance is really important because if you do that, it will really help you and for them to forget about all the bad things that happened in your relationship and you can finally move on. Now, see, if there is a chance that you can get back together, like I mean, little bit chance. If you push them away, that will make them miss you for real, okay? Not, I mean, if you keep on texting them, I miss you, I need you, blah, 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 it will not make them actually miss you. You will be irritated. Just that, nothing else. Another shit text that you should absolutely not send right after breakup, which is, can we at least be friends? I mean, can we at least be friends? Listen, think about this for a minute. Right now, do you really think it's a good idea to be friends with a person that you are somewhat sexually attracted to? And wait, please give me the answer in the comment section. Do you really think it's a good idea to be friends with someone like that? My answer is no. My answer is no. Not in any situation it's a good idea. Mother Dua Lipa has said, if you are under him, you are never getting over him. Okay, so listen to this. No. Also, are you friends with your ex? I mean, how long the breakup has been, and if you are friends with your ex, how long it took you to become friends once again? Please let me know. Let me know. Okay, wait. Let me know down in the comment section. Today I'm not going to do heavy. It's just a skin tint I'm using. I'm not doing any. This is too hot. Too hot. It's not even April, and I feel like I'm dying because of heat wave. Is your desire to be back in a romantic connection with them? That's why you are texting them, can we be friends? Because right now you don't want to be friends, but you are just looking for a way to go back to them or luring them back to you, which never works, which really never works in a single, I mean in the history of getting back together, it never worked. So especially right after a breakup, and even if right now your ex agrees to get back to you like just friends, and you will be thinking, so it's a formula for heartbreak. Okay, maybe they are agreeing to you to be just friends, but what really happens that maybe they have moved on, but you haven't. You want them back, but they are already seeing other people. Then it will be hurting you like, how I know this? Because I have applied this formula and I have got hurt. I mean, come on. It's a tried and applied method. I think everybody at some point of time have applied and found. So just don't, especially at this point, you don't want to be friends with your ex. Give it a time, both move on with your respectable lives, and then become friends once again. That's how it works. That's how it will work better for both of you. Otherwise, it's a formula for disaster. Absolute disaster. Another thing that you should not text, which is, I'm sad, I'm lonely without you. See, playing pretty card is not going to get you anywhere. Stop, right? You need to show your ex that you are expensive, you are high standard, and you are the baddest bitch alive. You don't have any problem getting any partner like this. Okay? Do not go for the pity party. God, how much I wish somebody told me when I was a teenager, because I was a master of pity party. Especially, I was actually in a relationship when I was in my 20s, 21, 22. Oh my god, the stupidity I have done in that relationship. Now I look back, the shit I have done, and shit I have texted. Now I look back and I want to slap the hell out of my face. I want to slap my face flat. The amount of idiocy I could do in one relationship. But yeah, after that, in the next relationships, I was like, bye bye, goodbye. I moved on really fast. Like, not in being in another relationship or rebound, but for my own peace, I moved on really fast. See, if you claim that you were sad and lonely without them, you are just suggesting totally opposite. You are just, showing that you are lost without them. No, girl, you are not lost without anyone. You are your own person. Learn to be your own person. Girl, boy, whoever it is listening to this rant, this makeup rant, you are your own person. You are not lost without anyone. Okay, so for now, for what things that I haven't done, go no contact with your ex as fast as possible. Be ruthless about it. If they were or anyone were enough to think that they can do without you, show them that you can do life without them as well. You should not, always you are your first priority. Okay, first thing, yes, you may say that, okay, we want to be back together, my ex wants to be back together, there is a chance. Yes, girl, there is a chance. I'm not saying that there isn't, but not right after a breakup. Please give yourself some time, get yourself back on the track, then think about getting back together. But in no shape or form, one thing I do not endorse is saying bullshit about your ex, spreading rumors about your ex. This is disgusting. Don't do that, girl. You have class. If you are a person with class and education, do not spread weird rumors about your ex right after breakup or any point of time in your life. Now, yes, if they were abusive and you want to let people know that they're stupid and abusive and people should be away from that person, because I know I have one dated someone who was a p-word, people who have weird feelings about kids. So I had to tell people and take actions against that. Other than that, I have had breakups, and not in my life I have said one bad words about them. And fortunately, I'm still good friends with them. One of my exes got married. He's happy. I'm happy for him. And another is getting married soon. They are happy, and I'm really very happy for them because we are very good friends. So do not ruin relationships by saying bullshit, bad things, weird rumors about your exes. That's not what classy people do. Okay, so a lot of people say bad things out of anger, and I understand why we often say bad things about our exes, because at that moment we felt abandoned by them, we felt like we were betrayed, even though we are not. Again, if you want them back, spreading bad rumors against them will not win you anything, and it's not gonna go anywhere. So I do understand at this moment you are feeling furious, but don't let it get the best of you. You are not that person. You are really not a horrible person. So we are at the end of the video. This is my look that I have created while talking to you. I think I have made some mistake, and because of that, my under eye concealer today looks like gray. It's totally my fault. Honey, baby girl, friends, bestie, whoever you are watching, you are always your first priority, okay? And I can understand. I have been through this. Breakup is like a mini death of a relationship. So what happens when somebody dies? We bury them, we mourn them, and we move on with good and bad memories. So for breakup, I am going to say just that. Do not send weird texts or try to get back to them, get back at them, spreading bad rumors against them. Do not do any of it. Please, if a relationship is dead, we broke up, take it like this, bury it. The feelings that you still have, bury it somewhere. Mourn the bad things. Take the good things with you, which is your good memories, the time you have spent together. Think about them. Keep them in your heart, in the corner of your heart, and move on. Go ahead. Life is big, and there are 7 billion people in this world. You are not alone. You are not alone. Okay? And you are not going to die alone. It's not that bad because all of us technically die alone. I'm a cat mom, so I'm a crazy cat lady, whole cat lady. But it's not that bad. It's a good life. My cats are amazing. They're the best. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more fun and gossip. Until then, bye.